So Tifan, could you please tell us a little about your work linking biodiversity with development programs?
Yes. Well, maybe the first thing to think about is that our current development models are really damaging biodiversity. So, from a donor point of view, there are different actions we can implement to better link development and biodiversity, to be sure that in the future these two challenges could be improved together. Maybe first one would be to implement projects who directly preserve biodiversity. Then we have to reduce our impact, make sure that the development activities we are implementing are really managed to reduce their impact on the environment, and this is a huge issue. This is very operational, but you also have other issues we try to develop at AFD. We need to improve our research on these issues to be sure that we are thinking to new development models, new activities we can finance, and more precisely in the south, in the countries where poverty is too high and where development it's a necessity. And maybe last thing we have to improve is to better know the impacts of our own activity and to assess the different impacts, the results we have, and to be sure that we take it into account to learning by doing. I mean, it's a learning by doing. And maybe in the future we can, as the donors, I mean, I'm speaking from the point of view of the donors, that's a way to improve our own action and maybe influence the development models.
But you knew that already.